welcome to my channel. My name is Pete Rea and I'm a passionate network marketer. From being unemployed and deep in debt to becoming a top 10 earner and a best-selling author. It's really been an incredible journey. This industry can absolutely change your life. With over 2 decades of experience, I've made just about every mistake, but I never quit. And this channel is dedicated to those who want more out of life, people who remain connected to their goals and their dreams and are just not prepared to settle for less. I'll be teaching you exactly what you need to know, do and become to be successful in this incredible industry so that you can live life on your terms. We only get one time around this track called life, so let's do this. So make sure that you get subscribed, turn on the notifications, because you don't want to miss any of the magic.